Meaning of Kim Philby.
Kim Philby.
Kim Philby.
Kim Philby.
Kim Philby. Kim Philby was a British intelligence officer and a member of the Cambridge Five spy ring during the early Cold War. He is considered to be one of the most successful Soviet spies, having provided the Soviet Union with vast amounts of highly classified information. Philby's actions caused significant damage to Western intelligence efforts during the Cold War, and his legacy is that of a traitor to his country. His story has been the subject of numerous books and films, as well as ongoing interest from historians and espionage enthusiasts.